Welcome back to another tutorial in the Adobe Illustrator course for beginners. In this tutorial, we're going to look at the eraser tool and the multiple things that it can do. Now we've looked at how to draw shapes using a pencil tool, how to create new shapes using a shape builder and a pathfinder. Now, eraser will be helpful to take away, to reduce or subtract parts of the image that you've created that you don't want. So let's see it in action. If I select this and draw that shape. So this is the eraser tool that if you hold and click, if you don't see it, it might be under the scissor tool or the knife tool. So with the eraser tool selected, you can erase a part of your shape if you want, but as you can see, it's not that clean and it's a little bit small. The size is small. So what you want to do is come back here and double click, and then it will open these two options, and then you can increase the size from here. And then click OK, and you can see it's changed, and now you can make bigger selections when you're erasing. So that's all Control Z. Now another thing, as you can see, that the way I'm erasing, it's not perfect, it's not cutting clear. So if you want to make perfect selections when you're erasing, and this is what you do: you hold down the Alt key. Now when you erase, it will form a straight line, and you can see I've formed a straight perfect line when erasing, and I'm left with this perfect shape. So let's do that again. Hold down the Alt key and then click and drag, and it will form a straight line as you erase. And that's one way of using the eraser tool. You can use the eraser tool after using the pencil tool. So I'll select the pencil tool. Let's draw something. There we go. Let's give it a fill color. So I can still come and use the eraser tool on such a shape that I've drawn, and it will work similar. Now for this, every time I erase, it will create a new boundary. So if I erase this part out, you can see it will create a new outline and reform the shape. So let's do that again. This means you can actually edit a hand-drawn shape using the eraser tool.